right? There is an Asian session, right? There is a London session. So many people, they just jump on the market any time of the day. That's something. No, and no. You need to comply with the rules of this pairs. That this pairs will be most volatile and will be most profitable during one of these sessions. So with my experience, I realized that two sessions here are the most important. London session and the New York session. So London session in South Africa is 9 to 5 p.m. You see. The New York session in South Africa is about around 2:30 to 3. I think because of there's something called daylight time savings. This means that now you can see, if you check Nasdaq, the market opens at 4:30. So even NFP is going to change the time now. So you will see that the time now is going to be changed. So it's called daylight time savings. So it can be around 3:30 p.m. this one from there. But you can see that they overlap, these two. Sometimes they're together at the same time. And not sometimes, they always are overlapping. Then we have the Sydney session and the Asian session. Asian session is, we use it for fundamentals. If you remember, we used to kill fundamentals, then we stopped trading fundamentals. Why? It's because of COVID came in and the market now was quiet. COVID also when it came in fundamentals. But I'm talking about the ones of 2 a.m., 3 a.m. We never used to sleep, as a matter of fact. You find the NZD ones 11:45 p.m. You find the AUD ones 3:30 a.m. Just clear our thing. But if you want to depend on it, of course, sometimes the news comes like Obama, not Obama, Obama, because I've been trading even during the times of Obama. Obama would just come one day and, good people, I just want to say today that we have postponed the NFP. There's going to be a meeting at this, that thing mentioned, people are angry or the. So, of course, Robert does not know there's Obama talking. He doesn't care what Obama. I blow the account. That is when, of course. So, Robert will never work in fundamentals. So, you want to monitor. So, people just want to let it run alone. It won't happen. So, guys, it works. It's proven. So, the market will always just do something like this. The market, it will come down. It's trending down. Right? People are excited. It's selling, right? And then it goes up. When it goes up, you find that some people already are selling there. You don't know some of them what they're doing. Some people are panicking. Hey, what's happening? Then before you know it, it comes. Let me just do this. Before you know it, it comes down again. The sellers are excited again. No, we're still in. Ooh. Hey, before you know it, it comes back here again. Hey, what's happening now? Before you know it, you are waiting now. This is what is called a neckline. This part. This part is what is called, what it says neckline. So we want to see what's happening now. Sometimes I see this when I'm about to give a signal. I wake up in the morning. Whoa, I see, okay, GU. What's happening? I see the market is going down. And because of me, I'm very patient. I don't just jump very quickly. I see the market is going down. I just wait a little bit. I'm waiting. I'm sitting here. I'm just sitting. I'm sitting. I'm sitting. Hey, as I'm watching, it goes up. So I want to see if it's retracing. As time goes, or tomorrow I'll teach you about Fibonacci. So you can know that, okay, is this a fib? A fib, it means, is it a retracement? Is it giving us a chance to sell more? And some people do really sell more. They don't want to add more. I've got my friend, this other guy, Shumani. Whenever the market goes opposite, he's adding more. And I've seen some of you guys doing that. No, you don't do that. You wait a little bit, don't see what's happening here. Yeah, what's happening? And if you're already inside, it's sad. But if you're outside, it's so nice. That's why patience pays. So you are waiting. It comes here, it comes down again. Even here, I'm not excited. Even here, I wait a little bit. So it comes down again. The minute it goes up and it comes back to this level where it was, me, I don't even waste time. Already, I take my phone, you just see my phone. I say, guys, it's time now. I even go there to Telegram, the way there's over 30,000 people where I know that day I must come with a lot of protection. Oh, I see now it's time. I already know why. It is created what is called a double bottom. So the market goes down, it's moving down, goes up, goes down. Then this part here, this part here, 1 and 2, it's called a double bottom. It was there, went up, came back again, meaning it's fetching people. So the price will always fetch some people. There's some people that it wants to fetch first. So you'll find that, remember now, before we go into practical, let us understand the theory. That is why I said to you, let us go, and people like to say, right, next talk about the philosophical side of things. It's a must-cover philosophy in trading. So you understand who is buying. It's not just a game of buying and selling. There's so many things. Forex exchange is serious. Foreign exchange is serious. So these people, they are a syndicate. They are a group of guys. They can be me and Venom like this, but it's more people. They are in all over the place. ABSA in South Africa it went through this thing. Let me just show you. Maybe you think I'm joking. Let me just show you.
Okay, guys. The pair that I'm currently on right now is GBP USD. So I just want to give you guys a quick rundown on how to identify your trends, right? On how to identify your trends. So on the 4-hour time frame, I like to use a 4-hour time frame because it allows me to use multiple time frame analysis. So once I start on my 4-hour time frame, I will then drop down to lower time frames such as 1 hour, as well as the 15-minute charts in order to get entries. So in order for us to narrow down our entry points, let me just show you a quick example on Nasdaq. There was a trade on Nasdaq. Right, so over here, this is our zone, right? So we have our left shoulder, the left shoulder. We have the head, and as you can see, we have the right shoulder. So this one was for the sell. So instead of the pattern looking like the one we drew on GBP USD, this one over here, it is in the opposite now for the sell side. So basically what you're going to do is, once you have seen this part of your market structure playing out, right, you will then highlight your zone, right? You highlight your zone, and then once we get a break back below this level, this is what will now give me confidence that this trade should be forming the pattern or the QML level that we are looking for. So this area is where we will be taking our trade, right? So as you can see over here, I've marked it out already. We have our zone, which starts off with the left shoulder. It creates a new high, of which is the head of the head and shoulders. It drops back below the level. So once it drops back below the level, this is where we will now expect a retracement back towards this significant level over here. So inside this level, as you can see, we have some rejections. So these spikes over here are letting me know that the level is actually holding and that it is possible that it is valid for an entry.
This here. Oh yeah. When I see this part is coming back here, that's our buy signal now. Buy now.
Go all out.
Go all out. Buy stop. Yeah. And then we go boom, boom, boom. So already moving. So it will always come and test back. So that is what we call the FTP now. Is it safe in the case of avoiding FTR by putting a buy stop? That is what we do. We are waiting. We don't want to just jump in, especially me alone. When I give you the buy stop, I'm already in. But I want to accommodate everyone because people sometimes, when I say buy now, I'm saying profit. No, I haven't bought yet. Joe, which number? You see, so now they don't know what's happening. So I know buy stop, we're all going to be in that zone. Yeah. So when I buy now, you find someone buying. When I say buy now, that's also no. Buy now, you'll buy here already. And I saw it here. Buy now. I don't know what. 30 minutes later, okay, say I'm in now. Once we hold, I say, we are going in when we leave now. So when the professionals leave, the amateurs come in. You know what, guys? No, it's too much for the day. Tomorrow we've got more. 2 hours in, 3 hours in. Data is high. Please, good people, let me say I'm going to release you for now because tomorrow is another class again. I just want to hear people. Just give me your comments. Just say whatever. I'm unmuting you now. You're unmuted. Shaya, can I please start with the
Thank you so much.
Before we get into everything, let's just have everything with this today, just to make sure everyone understands. Thank you, Shaya. Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Let me move now without wasting any more time. Tomorrow, same time again, I'm going to recap. Then I go to the indicators and I show you how to enter and go out instant. Someone wrote thank you. Wow, wonderful. Chapa, I'm out, guys. Power, power, power. No, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is actually a very special day because of it's a day where we have what is called a full moon. So it's a very, very powerful spiritual day. Those people who follow my videos, I teach about hidden wisdom. I talk about spirituality. This is one of the biggest days. So after the class, I'm going to be going out tonight to my meditation center and going to meditate. So it's a very powerful day today. I'm hoping that all of you can find blessings and in your trading and in everything that you touch. You are very fortunate to be talking to me on a day like this today, because normally full moon, I realized later that this is my first time ever in 10 years that I'm just discussing other things besides spirituality, or I'm not in prayer for now on a full moon. And normally I'm very quiet on today. I just go to one of the mountains, or I just go somewhere, just meditate. As you know, most of my background is spirituality, meditation and everything. So you are talking to someone who is spiritually ascended and who's awake, and he's teaching you today trading. I feel like it's a big blessing for you. So you really have to be proud of that. So let's continue with that. And then let's see what is going to happen and how you guys can see yourself moving forward. Because I believe that each and every single thing in the material world, in order for us to see maximum success, we need to have a lot of spiritual awakening. So today, when I'm teaching you this information, I definitely know that you're going to be excelling. So let's see what's going to happen. I don't know. Let's see what's going to happen. So I see all of you on my let me just show you. I've got my screen here where I can see all of you here. I see everyone here. Yes, beautiful guys here. Some of you are walking. I'm worried that you're walking and you need to be seated, and you must also have a notepad, because of this is serious. You can't just say I'll memorize, but luckily I'm going to upload the videos, and then I'm going to put them for you on a secret link on YouTube so that you can just recite them. So let's continue. Let's go forward and let's see what is happening today. Let me see what we have here. The market, let me tell you something you don't know now. The market is formed by natural patterns that are derived from human behavior. Wherever there's a human being, if it's a robot, maybe a software, then I'll say I don't know if it can work on gold. But if there's going to be market participation by human behavior, human beings, then human beings, what they normally do as they breathe in and breathe out, they will do the same thing on the market. They will take profit, they will close. So the market is a complete reflection of the human being. This is human anatomy. Hey. Ay. So this square here, let's take this square quickly. Let's take this square. Now we're closing. We're closing the day. You will tell me if you want me to come back. Say, Dr. Wade, we want you to teach. Me, actually, there was a time where I stopped teaching. I was called to come back. I actually retired. You know, he was there when I retired. I'm with my guy, my friend. He was there when I retired. Which year did I retire? 2016. I retired in 2016. Me, trading, teaching, I retired. But people called me. They said, come back. So I'm back now. So you'll call me now after this video and say, no, come, we still want you to teach more. Yeah, you see, I'm closing it now. Let's take it. You see, this is more than what you can ever get anywhere else. This guy, he says, don't worry, Fib will show you. Leonardo, powerful guy. He showed you how to buy or how to sell at a cheaper price at a discount. Now let me show you the future. And he says each and every single everything in the market, whether it's the stock market or it's in the Forex market, the market will always move in a cyclical pattern. And he says that, you see right now when it's like this, I'm sure for you it's confusing. You don't know what's happening. You just say 57, 58, 66, 62, 56, 31. You don't know what's happening here. You don't know what's happening here. So let's go and explain it. So in trading, this guy, this him, who's not me who's talking. This guy, he took $10. He made it $100, $100, $1,000, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000. There was a millionaire from 000, from that vision that you saw. We saw this square. And he said that the square is powerful. It talks about the future of the market. So, by the way, I was able to use this square to even predict other stuff besides Forex. I've used something similar to the square. I don't know if Venom knows. I predicted that the Reeboks, Springboks, the rugby that they will win. Before
that was a year or two ago.
2 years ago. I predicted, so I can even predict other stuff besides the market. So I predicted that the Springboks, rugby, they're going to win before they even went to the final, using cycles. I saw that every 10 years. I saw with the cycles. I think even. Well, let me just unmute you.
One more. We are very ready.